Hey y'all, how you doing? My name is Renee, and I'm coming to you as the wealth coach right now. But we're getting ready to start a book club, and this is the book, How to Make Money Selling Stocks Short. We've already read this book, and this shows you how to buy stocks as they go up. But everything that goes up must come down. And so it's good to know different strategies because different seasons, different economic turns will require different investment strategies. And so I always say learn 3 different ways of making money. So this year we're going to be building our financial portfolio. And for those that are questioning what is that exactly, it's those assets that you put into your own personal portfolio. You can build your own personal portfolio with or without a broker. You could do it yourself personally. I've been doing it for years. I do have a broker as well, but I like it investing. And so if you're making money and all you have is a lump sum of money stashed somewhere, you want to take that money and invest it in different stocks or real estate or into a business, and it will begin to multiply in ways that you can't do just making money and stashing it somewhere. And so we'll share some of people's portfolios so you can see, like, for instance, I think I have either Shaq's or one of the ball players. So you wouldn't think, okay, or even Magic Johnson. I think he owns like AMC theaters, and you see them buying into franchise restaurants and that sort of thing. But there's a mixture of investments. And so as you begin, a lot of times when you begin, you either can, like, so if you have like 6,000 and under, you can find a real estate investment. You can definitely invest in some stocks. You can definitely start a business for sure. So, but as you begin to grow from 6,000, now you have $10,000 to $20,000 that you've made off of an investment. You could then take that and buy a 4 to 10 unit building. So you can do residential 4 unit, or you can do 10 unit commercial property, or again, each level, each large amount that you get, you can take that and, just like Monopoly, you start off with 4 greenhouses and then you turn that into a red hotel. So you just begin where you are and then grow it and just watch it just take off. And so I know some of you have some beautiful vision boards, but what I incorporated into my vision board last year is like, okay, so I'm getting ready to be the next self-made millionaire, and so I have on my board that I'm gonna buy a 4 to 10 unit. I want to go bigger than a 4 unit, so say a 10 unit apartment building, but I also have the assets lined up that I need to invest in order for that to happen. And so a lot of times we have these dreams like, hey, I want to be a millionaire, but you don't know how you're going to get there. And so this will help you put together some assets. And assets are investments that you make that put money into your pocket. And yes, you can make money off of the stock market. You can make money off of crypto. You can make money off of investing in a business. You can make money, like today you may not be able to afford to go out and buy into a McDonald's franchise, but if you build some building blocks of investments to get you there. I know this one lady, and I'm sorry I don't have her name at the top of my head, but she offers a class on, you don't have to, have all 3. I just happen to invest in all 3. And we're going to cover all that this year. But you can focus on one thing, and she focuses on stocks. So not only can you make money as it goes up, but you can make money as it goes down. Stocks move sideways. And so the most important thing is that you can pick up a skill. And so it's reading the charts. And so if you go into buying stocks and you don't know how to read the charts, you don't know how to go after the numbers, you'll be an investor that, as soon as you hear bad news about a company, you're bailing out and you're pulling your money out of the market. So when I purchased Facebook, I bought it as an IPO for like $38 a share. And today the stock is, I haven't looked at it, but let's see if I can find it real quick for you. Sorry, I had meant to look this up prior to. Okay, so now it's called Meta Platforms, but I purchased Facebook stock at $38 a share when it first came out as an IPO, and I don't know if you can see that, but now it's like $319. And I could tell you from the day that I purchased it, so I've made money on the Facebook stock, but Facebook is always in the news. And so when people hear negative information about a company, they immediately start selling off their stocks. But what I do and what I've learned, and again, read a book, find some skills, find out what's really going on. William O'Neill teaches you to go and look at the numbers. So if the numbers are stronger than the day that I purchased it, I don't panic. I then make a decision to buy more if it's stronger than the day I bought it. So I've been buying it over time. And so for $39 stock is now $319 a share. So I've made money off of it, but eventually, everything that comes up must come down. But again, this is the book club, and I will have the link available where you can sign up and join us. Learn to make money while it's going down. Why not make money going both ways? And so I'm kind of excited. But yeah, finally I started reading this book several times, but like each time I was like, I wasn't getting it. But this young lady, which I'll share in the book club, some of her videos, but she explained it like it's like wholesaling real estate. Okay, now I understand. And so now I have a different thought process about it. And I do know, like, I am buying crypto, but even the gentleman that I'm learning crypto from, he knows how to read the charts. And so therefore he has a better understanding, and he can get in and get out. And, you learn how to set boundaries. Like, okay, if this stock, like if I bought it at 39, I could have set an alert that if it fell to 20, percentages. So if it dropped 8%, then I would just sell it. But if it's climbing 20% higher than what I purchased it, if I go and look at the numbers and it's stronger than the date I purchased it, I buy some more because it's going up. And so, but you'll know and understand the market. You got to know and understand the market to know when to get in and when to get out, and not sell it before you actually make your full potential of the money that you started off, saying, hey, I'm going to win on this stock. Anyway, I will be back. I'm going to start it in 2 weeks, probably change it from Wednesday to like Saturday and Sunday. So I invite you to join the book club and learn some skills on how to make some money in the stock market. And so I'm going to say goodbye for now.